Hey dear global entrepreneurs, welcome back. Today I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on setting up your U.S. LLC. Whether you want to access Stripe or expand your online business in the US, this video is for you. Let's get started. So the first thing you'd want to do is choose a state. Popular choices include Delaware, Wyoming, and Nevada. Thanks to their business-friendly laws and lower fees. Delaware is especially favored due to its well-established framework for businesses. But I personally like Wyoming because it has the lowest state fees. All right. So each state has its pros and cons. It's up to you to decide which one you really choose. You can do your research and so forth to see which best fits your needs. Step 2, you'd want to select a business name. So you'd want your LLC's name to be unique, not already in use by another business in the States. So you can check for your business's name availability on the website when you choose to register. Be creative, just make sure it reflects your brand. So once you found a perfect name, you're ready to move on to the next step. That would be hiring a registered agent. Registered agent is someone who receives the official legal documents on your behalf or on behalf of your LLC. They must have a physical address in the United States where you're forming your LLC. You can hire a professional service or appoint someone who meets the requirements. This ensures that you won't miss any important legal notices. So that after that, the other step will be to file the necessary paperwork. This typically involves submitting the Articles of Association to the state's business filing office. The document includes basic information about your LLC, such as its name, address, and the registered agent's details. You can do this for yourself, but to cut the hassle, it's best to have an agent who knows what they're doing and they could complete the whole process way faster than if you do it for yourself. So next, you'd want to obtain what you call an employee identification number or an EIN number. This is like a social security number for your business, and it's required for tax purposes, opening a bank account, and if you intend to hire any employees. Your registered agent will make sure that this process is completed in no time or as quickly as reasonably possible. So then you'd want to open a US bank account. Having a US bank account is essential for managing your business, finances, and for getting access to Stripe. You need your EIN, your Articles of Association, and other identification documents to open an account. Your agent will assist you in signing up for a US bank account and for accessing Stripe. Many banks offer services tailored for international entrepreneurs like yourself. Your agent will be able to refer you to the best options. Once your LLC is set up, you'll need to maintain a good standing by filing reports, paying state fees, and keeping accurate records. Each state has their own requirements. Your registered agent will make sure that you stay informed and will help you avoid any penalties. They will give you ample notice of when you need to file your tax forms. So it's really beneficial to have an agent or to hire an agent because these agents help you stay compliant to all the laws of the land and all your tax information. Don't be scared. If you have a digital product, having a digital product, what I deal with is selling digital products online. There's a little difference in the way you have to file taxes if you actually own a brick and mortar store in the United States and have actual employees working for you. That's a totally different tax bracket we're dealing with. Okay, I'm dealing with non-US residents. For non-US residents, it is essential in order to be qualified to sign up with Stripe, you need to have a U.S. LLC. So this is the reason I am encouraging persons to please create a U.S. LLC. You don't have to pay much taxes. You just have to keep up to date with your tax form that has to be signed in the first week of April each year. Once you have a digital product and you don't actually have a brick and mortar store or any employees in the United States, you will not come under any type of scrutiny or any elaborate taxes won't be placed upon you. Do you understand? Okay. All right. Yes, Stripe will enable you to send links if you actually have goods that you have to ship to persons. It makes it even faster to send your link to somebody with an invoice and they just make the payment immediately, right? That saves all the hassle that you have to go through the banks and whatnot and the US exchange, all these things. Okay. It just makes payments so much easier for your online business. Let's do a quick recap of all the steps involved. 1, you'd want to choose a state. 2, select a unique business name. 3, hire a registered agent. 4, file the necessary paperwork. 5, obtain an EIN number. 6, open a US bank account. 7, comply with ongoing requirements, which your hired agent will do for you. So by following these steps, in just a few weeks, you'll have your U.S. LLC up and running, and you will be able to accept online payments from international customers once you connect to Stripe. So thanks again for watching. If you found this video helpful, please remember to subscribe or click that like button, and I'll see you in the next video.